Okay guys, I'm back. I'm not retarded, I'm not stupid. It's just the screw got loose. I'm gonna show you. The screw right here is loose. See that? And I'm gonna just unscrew it to where it was. I'll show you why it wouldn't go in. My fucking camera would cooperate here. Here, look. It's getting caught right there. No wonder it wouldn't go in. So now we gotta tighten that down and get this back together. Wonder why I'm screwed in the first place. I'm just wondering if that will come unscrewed again. Well, if it looks like I'm stripping the screw. Stripping the screw. That's what it feels like. Give me a sec. Where's this stupid screw I used to have? Can't find my little screwdriver, but this will do for now. I really don't want to tighten it to where I'm going to strip it. So it should fit now. If I have any problems again, I'll tighten it down with a smaller screw. Fucking focus. I mean, really, camera. Come on. Okay. See? Slides right in. There we go. Okay. Now let's get down to business. Barrel goes in there. Locks right in. Barrel bushing goes on. Counterclockwise. We'll just put it like that. This goes in. The plug. The recoil spring. Right in there. Hold it. What I recommend to do is hold it with your hand like this so your fingers are around it. Hold it just like this. I don't even have to explain. You can just look and see how I'm holding it. And then just slides on just like that. My God, you bit my nose. Would you just fuck off? I mean, really fly. Mosquito, whatever the hell you are. Now, really, once it gets to this point, where it gets onto the back, you could just let go, and it'll take it from there. Ow, fuck! I pinched myself. It'll take it from there. So take the slide stop. And pull, slide back, just like I said, put your thumb in the trigger guard, pull back with your hand, and put the slide stop in there. It's all good. I'm going to show you that again. But zoomed out. Okay. And this is also how you take it out. Thank you guys. That was the Novak NEXT assembly.